I'm going.
You're going? You're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. I'll hold it up now.
Come on. You know what you want?
Yeah, I just don't want it to hurt. Yeah, it is loose enough. I can feel it. I can just feel it. It's loose enough. I know. Right if you pull, I can't. I know how you can't get the first time.
Why? Wait a minute.
Just
Okay, wait a minute.
what's the matter with it?
Lick. Yes, yeah. Tighten it down. Okay, come here. Wait a minute. Shh. Okay, I won't do it again. It's not ready yet.
How do you know?
Well, it'll come by now. I always got it on the second time. Wait a minute.
Fleck!
Huh?
Fleck?
Slick. You want me to do it again? Come here. Wait a minute. Open your mouth.
Oh.
Will you try yours again, Holly? Say, I love Dumbo.
I love Dumbo.
He's so sweet.
So big. Dumbo.
Did we go over to Mike Eccles' house the other night?
Uh-huh.
What did we do? Did they scare Mike Eccles? What did he scare him with?
Mongoose.
Or what?
Mongoose.
You need to spit that candy out so you can talk? Here.
Huh?
Kind of gooey. Well, hurry and get through with it. What kind of candy is that?
Green.
Green. Yuck. Let's work our puzzle.
Huh?
We need to finish Dumbo here. Don't you?
Huh?
You want to call the mom?
Rain come down. Rain come
You
down.
want to sing that song? The rain came down and
Putting up.
the rain came
Down.
and the sun came up and the foolish man's house went
Press.
splash. What else do you sing in there? Smash
I
it.
love them.
Huh?
I love them.
You love gum? Who has gum?
Madam. Other them.
What?
Other them.
Okay, wait just a minute. Let's say you're Matthew.
One. Broken planet.
Romans.
Woman.
First.
Second. Children.
The owl and the
Pussycat looking
went to
rainbow.
sing in a beautiful pea green.
Rainbow.
They took some
Honey.
and plenty of
Money.
wrapped up in a
5 pound.
pound note.
Find out.
The owl looked up at the
Bird.
and sang to a
Car. Oh, pretty man.
oh. What?
I'll put your mother.
Or that baby.
Hey there.
we choose sing. Oh, let us be
Where?
married. Too long we have,
Hey.
but what shall we do for
What?
a ring? So they sailed away. I don't know, let's see. So they sailed away for a
Yeah.
year and a
Day.
to the land where the
Monkey Joe.
and there in a
What?
with
With
a
his nose.
his
Nose. Nose.
with a
Ring.
at the end of his,
Nose.
said the piggy,
His nose.
dear pig, would you be willing to sell for 1 shilling your ring? Said the piggy. Huh? I will. So they took it away and were married the next day by the
Turkey
who lived on the.
heel.
They dined on
Lips.
and slices of which they ate with a
Poop.
and hand in hand on the edge of the. They
Jack.
right here. They by the light of the they by the of the let's call the hogs. Piggy, Suey.
Body.
Did you put the body on?
Piggy.
Suey.
Razorback.
Razorbacks.
Razorback.
Hickory.
Rock.
Clock struck.
One. Dog.
And down he.
One.
Hickory.
Clock.
I pledged
Lady.
to the
Flag.
of the United
Page.
of
Leg.
and to the
Public.
for which it
And.
one
Gecko.
I don't know one nation under indivisible with Mr. T with
I love Zeke.
you love Zeke. You love Zeke. Is Zeke big? You don't, do you care? Why do you love Zeke? Cause why? Did he ever give you sugar? Goes right up there. Where does your daddy work? Blossom? Can you say O-G-N-E? What does your daddy do? Where?
He cooks.
At church? What does he do at church?
Honey go.
Does he sing songs? Do you sing? Do you like to sing? What songs do you like to sing? Mr. T? Sing Mr. T. That's a pretty song. You know any more songs? What? Can you sing Happy Birthday? It's Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Can you say Tinkerbell? Say Tinkerbell. That's Tinkerbell's body. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Can you say hippopotamus?
Thomas.
Hippo.
Cat.
Say hippo.
Thomas.
Say it. Hippo.
Cat to go.
Let's see. It goes up. It goes right here.
Okay.
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 Can you sing Happy Birthday?
The birthday.
Huh? Happy was the night before when all through the
House.
not a
Kisses.
preacher was
Jordan.
not even a